everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Stephanie here with the Authentic Budget. So instead of today being my Friday savings, I am actually going to be pulling from my savings binders that I have to make up the difference that I'm short on my bills for October. I'm going to be pulling money from my buffer that I have in my bills account, which is $350. I am pulling that to use for the bills. I'm pulling $400 from my month ahead account that I have with Capital One. I'll be pulling $400 if I haven't already said that. And then I am also going to be pulling today $513 is how much I still need. I'm going to be taking that from my binders. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this so I can get this money pulled out. So this is my $500 savings challenge that I was working on. This was to go towards me getting a month ahead on the mortgage payments for our primary residence. So I am going to be completely emptying this one out and seeing how much we have here. I hope that everyone is having a good day. I hope that your guys' weekend is going to be great. I don't have any plans for the weekend. I am hoping to be able to go to church on Sunday. Okay. And for everything that I'm pulling money from, I am just going to hope and pray and plan on just restarting it once I pick up either more hours or second job or something like that. I know I was trying to work on getting a second job earlier in the year, but I just didn't pursue it fully. So let's see, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220. $10, $20, $30. And then 5, 10, 15, 20. All right, so 270. So I do need to get up to $513. All right, so the next binder I'm gonna go ahead and take the money from is my marriage binder. So I know I don't have much in here. So we'll just take out what we do have. Okay, so in here, there's 20, 30, 35, 45, 55, 65. So $65 from the marriage binder. So plus 65. So we're up to $335. Okay. So that's that one. I'm gonna save this one for last. This is my overflow binder, but I am gonna pull, I had some money back here that I was setting aside for my Friday savings challenges. So I am gonna just take this money right here and I am gonna pull it for my bills. All right, so we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So $45 from here. So plus 45. Okay, so that puts us at $380. So I need $133. So I am gonna pull the 50. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 110, 120, 20, 125, 130, 31, 32, and 33. All right, so let's give that a count and see that it comes up to $133. Okay, 50, 70, 90, 100, 120, 25, 30, 31, 32, and 33. So 380 plus 133 is 513. So how am I feeling? I feel sad, and I also feel good all in one. I feel a little sad that I have to pull the money from my binders because this was money set aside to get ahead, right? I'm sad in that regard that I am having to deplete all the money out, but I'm also glad that I have the money, right? Because just imagine if I didn't have this money, I would have to like get a loan, go into credit card debts, be late if I didn't have the money to pay it at all. So I'm very thankful, and I'm actually very blessed that I did have this money set aside, and that I learned a long time ago. My dad used to tell us all the time, don't spend all the money that you earn. I have implemented that for so many years. I'm just so thankful that I have this money that I can pull out of my binders to help when things that are unexpected happen. All the glory goes to God. That is all for this video. I will catch y'all next week when I come back to unstuff my bills binder. Or wait, how will I do that? I guess I need to come back and stuff the bills binder, right? Yeah, I think so. I need to stuff it first, and then I need to unstuff it. And I'm pushing it because the end of September is quickly approaching. So I do need to get these videos filmed as soon as possible. But anyway, you guys, I hope that everyone continues to stay blessed, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.